Sometimes out of these metal bathroom doors, the screws fall out and the hook gets lost. In this video, I'll show you what's involved here. Obviously, step one, find yourself a hook. Now, ideally one that matches the screw hole pattern exactly. If it's not exact, then you're gonna have to drill new holes, which is making the situation worse. You can drill holes above it, not below it, unless you really like staring at holes. Whatever, you're gonna have to find a shape that either works with one of the holes or covers up the existing holes. So in this case, this works close enough. It's not perfect. If I line it up with one screw hole and the other one is only halfway lining up, I'll try to make it work. Next item, the metal in this door, on these doors, is really thin, so you need to find screws that are catching the thickness of the metal enough, and the screw has to be shorter than the thickness of the door. I hope that makes sense. So that rules out the longest screws here. They are just too long. The shorter screws here look promising, but they have a thread that's best for particle board or wood. The screws that work best in metal have a thread that's closely spaced by the fine thread. So here, compare a coarse thread made for wood and a fine thread made for engaging metals. So in my hand, what I have, these two screws, they have a coarse thread made for wood. Not ideal. Also, why I'm not using these screws with a fine thread that's made to go into metal is the diameter of the screw is just not holding anything, because this is a number 8 screw and that's a screw hole made by a number 10 screw, so it's not going to work. And then of course you need a screwdriver or a screw gun. So what happens out of all of these screws, of course, this one and this one are going to be used. So what I've done here is I placed the screws very loosely on both sides, because both of them are going in at an angle, because remember the screw holes are only half and half overlap or so. So I'm going to have to tighten them gradually, and this is where a screw gun is not really helping too much, where they would need to be tightened ideally with a hand screwdriver. You don't want to strip the thread. Whatever is holding at the moment in the doors, that's it. So I can always put a little thread lock compound on it to glue the screws in place. And of course, final tightening should be done by hand, making sure not to strip out the thread, whatever the thickness of the metal, that's the face of the door, is holding the screws. And of course, this hook is going to be loaded vertically, so there's no need to pry it up and yank it out or whatever, test it any other way other than down. It's done.